Hello, and welcome to our webinar, Design, Document, Deliver, Leveraging Adobe to Empower the Public Sector. My name is Abby Hetherington, Marketing Manager here at Jigsaw 24, and today I'm joined by Carlo Rocco, our Higher Education Account Manager. In this webinar, we'll be covering the Adobe ecosystem, how Adobe supports public sector organizations and higher education institutions, as well as AI and automations. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of Adobe's toolset and how these can help to modernize operations and enhance digital experiences. Adobe is known for its extensive suite of applications that empower digital creativity, document management, and automation. These apps are grouped under two umbrellas. The first is Document Cloud, which consists of two apps, Adobe Acrobat, which is a gold standard when it comes to creating, editing, and managing PDF documents, and Acrobat Sign, which enables legally binding digital signatures perfect for public sector organizations who need fast, secure approval processes for contracts, applications, and other official documents. The other is Creative Cloud, which is a collection of over 20 creative applications designed for high-quality content production. This includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, InDesign, XD, and many more, giving your teams access to industry-leading tools to create high-quality visuals. Adobe's apps lead the graphic design software market with an 81% share. The top 3 positions in this market belong to Adobe, with Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator accounting for 41, 26, and 12% respectively. This just goes to show how many professionals pick Adobe as an ideal fit for their workflows. What makes the Adobe platform so powerful is how all these apps across Document Cloud and Creative Cloud work seamlessly together to ensure your organization can communicate, collaborate, and deliver impactful digital services efficiently and securely. Take, for example, the NHS. Their communications team would use apps such as Photoshop and InDesign to create patient-facing leaflets. These designs will then be converted into accessible PDFs using Acrobat, and these PDFs will then utilize Acrobat Sign to integrate forms that enable secure digital patient consent. Or in a higher education setting, this may look like admin staff utilizing Document Cloud tools for legal documentation and confidential student records. Lecturers and students will be using Creative Cloud apps within classrooms to help support with learning and creative courses. And universities' marketing and communication teams will utilize Creative Cloud for promotions and marketing campaigns. This interconnected ecosystem helps to break down silos, streamline workflows, and ensure that every team, whether focused on creative projects, admin tasks, or digital services, can work smarter, faster, and more collaboratively. Security and compliance are at the heart of Adobe solutions, and this is manifested in a few different ways across their ecosystem. All data is encrypted both in transit and at rest, and Adobe pride themselves in adhering to industry best practices for security and privacy. Adobe also offers dedicated encryption keys for enterprise and Teams plans, allowing them to manage encryption settings across their organization for further peace of mind. All Adobe apps support two-factor authentication. However, there are added security features and access control options within the Enterprise and Teams plans, such as centralized license management and role-based access tools, making it the perfect choice for public sector organizations. Adobe utilizes cloud storage, and their infrastructure is built to meet even the most stringent industry standards, making sure you are compliant. So whether you're creating content or handling official documents, Adobe tools align with legal and regulatory requirements. Adobe applications adhere to several key compliance certifications, such as GDPR and ISO 27001, 20701, and 22301, ensuring your data is managed, stored, and processed in line with internationally recognized security and privacy standards.
So we know what the Adobe ecosystem looks like, but how does this translate into public sector organizations? Well, Adobe tools can be found in most organizations today, including educational institutions, governments, national security and defense, police and emergency services, and the NHS. With intuitive interfaces, a best-in-class digital experience, and robust compliance and security, it's clear to see why public sector organisations are implementing Adobe tools across their teams to streamline workflows and improve public engagement. James Hansen, Head of Industry Strategy for Public Sector at Adobe, sums up the state of public service today perfectly. The need for citizen-orientated digital experiences is no longer optional. It's vital to keep up with public demand and evolving technologies. Not only will this work to improve public relations, but it will also drive efficiency, reduce admin burdens, and ensure faster, more accessible services for citizens. When we look at public communications and engagement, there are multiple ways in which both Creative Cloud and Document Cloud help to improve and support. With its extensive app portfolio, Creative Cloud's most obvious benefit is the ability to utilize professional-grade tools and platforms to create impactful and engaging assets on any platform. Whether it be audio, video, or still images, you'll have access to gold standard apps to support and achieve your desired vision. And with built-in tools such as alt text, captioning, and built-in accessible design practices, you can be confident that the content you're producing is accessible and inclusive for everyone. Creative Cloud apps utilize Adobe Cloud Storage, which makes it easier for teams to save, sync, and access files across devices. This seamless integration supports with real-time collaboration, allowing multiple people to work on the same project without versioning issues. And with shared libraries and templates helping to ensure brand consistency, you can make it simple to maintain a unified visual and brand identity across all communications. Document Cloud supports public communication and engagement by enabling a fully digital first approach to public services, with tools like Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Sign helping to simplify document signing, cutting processing time and boosting efficiency, all whilst ensuring compliance with legal standards like GDPR and FedRAMP, with built-in encryption and audit trails for enhanced security. When we look at digital transformation and efficiency in governing bodies, it's clear to see where Adobe supports and enhances these efforts, including reducing paperwork through digital forms and documentation, introducing e-signatures, simplifies and speeds up document signing for processors, from permit requests to HR operations, pairing these with automated approvals, and it's clear to see how these work to enhance and speed up workflows, opening up teams to focus less on the mundane admin side of things and more on the tasks that make an impact on public service. Every Adobe app comes with real-time editing and collaboration tools, such as shared libraries in Creative Cloud, comments and review features in Acrobat, and co-editing capabilities in Adobe XD that work to better support collaboration and teamwork, and reduces the amount of versioning to ensure you're all working to the right files at the right time. These tools are just some of the ways Adobe apps are helping to transform digital workflows in public sector organisations and drive efficiency across teams and departments to drive better, faster services. Within higher education settings, Adobe apps are a key staple that are used for a variety of purposes, supporting both teachers and students. These can be broken down into three key pillars. Firstly, employability. When it comes to career readiness, Adobe is the leading choice within the creative course portfolio, as it provides students access to industry standard creative software, and it empowers them to develop in-demand skills and build strong professional portfolios. Adobe allows students the freedom to explore their creative desires, develop key skills and expertise as they prepare to enter the world of employment. Next, we have digital learning. By providing a suite of tools and resources designed to enhance creativity, collaboration, and engagement in educational environments, Adobe is at the forefront of pioneering digital learning. Whether it be Creative Cloud to develop key skills and capabilities within a media setting, or Adobe Acrobat to enable students to share and collaborate on assignments and study materials, Adobe offers educators the maximum level of support to achieve their digital goals. And finally, student engagement. When surveyed, 81% of students said they are more engaged in the classroom with the use of Adobe products, and 90% of lecturers who use Adobe in the classroom felt their students were more prepared to tackle problems head-on and with confidence to mitigate positive outcomes. Global educators believe Adobe software helps students develop creative problem-solving skills, drive their digital storytelling and communication competencies, and boost focus levels in interactive learning settings.
Lastly, we're going to have a look at AI and automations within the Adobe software suite and break down the key features that work to better support your organization. AI has rapidly evolved, especially in recent years, and Adobe have been a trailblazer of integrating these advancements across their app suite, embedding AI tools in both Document Cloud and Creative Cloud to better support its users. In Document Cloud, you can utilize AI Assistant for tasks such as one-click generative summaries, automatically pull out key points to help you navigate complicated documents and get to important information fast, summarizing public feedback and reports, simplifying bureaucratic language into plain language summaries, extracting key information quickly from forms such as citizen application details, contact information, etc., or even for scanning documents to find any inconsistencies such as missing signatures. AI Assistant is there to enhance workflows and support with the mundane tasks. The key to utilizing AI to the best of its ability lies within prompts. Adobe has a great resource on their webpage which helps you get started with suggested AI prompts tailored around departments and specific tasks. AI within Creative Cloud is more ingrained into the apps, with specific tools in each, opposed to being one button which you can then give prompts to. This includes features such as generative fill and design suggestions, which help to speed up visual content creation by quickly adding, removing, or editing elements on an image. Background removal and image manipulation help to streamline design workflows, removing the manual clipping and cutting method many designers currently use. And neural filters in Photoshop can help to enhance images, adjust expressions, or restore old photos with just a few clicks, making previously complex edits faster and more intuitive. Adobe automations also utilize AI to streamline workflows and repetitive tasks like document processing, approvals, and content creation, helping to save time and reduce errors. This means faster citizen services, automated form processing, and consistent, accessible communications to boost efficiency whilst ensuring compliance with legal standards. Automations can be implemented in a variety of ways, including data merge, which allows you to automate creation of documents within InDesign by linking design templates with data sources. Responsive resize in Adobe XD automatically adjusts designs and layouts when you resize artboards, being sure to keep everything proportional and aligned. Auto reframe in Premiere Pro resizes video content for different social formats like square, vertical, or widescreen, while keeping the action in frame. PDF accessibility tagging in Acrobat automatically identifies headings, images, and text to create accessible PDFs with proper tagging and reading order. Acrobat Sign streamlines workflows by automatically routing documents for approval and tracking responses in real time. By utilizing both automations and AI within the Adobe ecosystem, you can transform the way you work, reducing manual effort and speeding up workflows not only improves internal efficiency, but also enhances the quality of public-facing communications, helping you to build trust and deliver better services. AI and automations are not just about efficiency, they're about transforming the way organizations operate, making public services more accessible, responsive, and effective. We see the future of AI and automations in public service improving in three key areas. When it comes to citizen engagement and services, we think AI will be used for tasks such as chatbots and virtual assistants. By training AI on previous call transcripts and advice, it will be able to learn and provide instant tailored support. We see predictive analytics playing a key role in supporting smarter decision-making, utilizing AI-driven analytics to anticipate infrastructure needs, identifying emerging social trends, and allocating resources more efficiently. Plus, automated data analysis will transform policymaking by detecting patterns in public behavior, forecasting healthcare demands, and improving the effectiveness of emergency responses, leading to faster, more informed decisions that better serve citizens. Workflow automation is already in place to some degree, but we see this developing further in the future, so routine tasks like invoice processing, HR management, and procurement will become fully automated, freeing up staff to focus on higher value strategic initiatives. AI and automations are transforming the way organizations operate at a rapid rate. As we look ahead, it's clear to see that AI will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of the public sector. By embracing these technologies, you'll not only improve your operational efficiency, but you'll also see a greater outcome for the community you serve. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any further questions or would like to discuss Adobe in your organization, you can reach out to us via the contact details shown on screen.